the Electrix RC Circuit 1/10 scale stadium truck with a few upgrades. The old tires only lasted me about a month and a half until they went completely bald and looked like slicks. So we have some Gladiator Tread Pro Line tires on it. The camber adjustments that originally came with it were complete crap, so I put Traxxas metal adjustable camber links. Upgraded the motor from a 20 turn to a 15 turn motor. Upgraded the battery to a 7 cell. And it runs pretty quick and smooth. The car came with everything you can imagine. It's an FM transmitter. The car even came with the batteries, even for the receiver. Now, that's pretty much all I've done to it so far. I left the front tire stock, and let's watch it run.
Nice.
You guys are in the way of the landing.
Oh, fuck. Damn, we didn't get that?
Oh! Damn.
What? Last jump, dead battery, what? Yeah! Oh, that was pretty let down. That was like the Eagles game today.